Global NCAP has been working on a number of initiatives to standardize car safety equipment across the globe. By 2030, the organization is aiming for all cars across the globe to be equipped with safety features such as electronic stability control, crash avoidance technologies, and intelligent speed assistance as standard. Another key objective is to have all cars comply with minimum crash worthiness standards. As of now, car safety standards vary significantly from country to country. While developed countries have strict regulations, safety standards in emerging economies, and low-income countries have a lot to catch up. To highlight the difference in safety standards based on geography, Global NCAP has carried out a car-to-car head-on collision between Hyundai Aura Sedan and Hyundai Accent. The tested Aura Sedan is a made-in-India car, but sold in Mexico, whereas the Accent is made in Mexico, but sold in US. Both these cars are among the cheapest sedans that are available in the respective countries. In the crash test, Hyundai Accent provided marginal to good safety for the driver. The structure was found to be stable. In comparison, Hyundai Aura provided weak to poor protection for the driver. The car's structure was crumpled, and it's likely that the driver would have suffered major, life-threatening injuries, which is equal to 0-star rating by Latin NCAP. The Accents gets 6 airbags, ESC as standard, but the Aura gets only 2 front airbags. Results of the crash test clearly demonstrate the difference in safety standards, followed by carmakers in different countries. Standardizing car safety equipment across the globe is a virtuous goal. It may run into practical problems. If carmakers in emerging economies use the same scale as that of developed countries, cars will become inaccessible for a large segment of users. Users may be forced to use two-wheelers or buy second-hand cars that may be even worse in terms of safety. The idea of standardization of safety standards globally will be easier to implement in a world where all countries are equally placed economically. That's unlikely to happen anytime soon. But in India, our homegrown carmakers like Tata Motors are trying to make a difference by giving maximum possible safety for the paid hard-earned cash by consumers. Let's hope the upcoming Bharat NCAP will make a positive start for safer cars in India. Thanks for watching.